Alright, gonna do a video day of the shoes I'm wearing. They are by Indestructible shoes. I'm gonna show how they have performed and how they have wore after 3 months. I've been wearing them 3 months almost every day. They're awesome shoes. They do good. I bought a second pair. I got a 50% discount code, so it came to $39 shipped. And I tell you that at $39 shipped, these are well worth that. I'm very hard on my shoes. I work every day around the farm here. I mow yards. I weed eat. I do metal detecting. I wear them on stage with the band I play in. And usually 6 months is the most I get out of a pair of shoes. But these have held up really good. Like only 3 months so far. But I'm going to show you the wear after 3 months, and I have no doubt they're going to last a lot longer than 3 more months. I would say they'd probably last another year or two. Are they indestructible? Probably not. Probably not. I don't think so. But they are very good shoes, and we're going to take a look at them here. Both new pair against the used pair that I have been wearing. All right, here we go. These are the shoes right here. Don't see it in the ad listing, but they're made by S-JUBANG. JUBANG, China. Very unusual shoes. I've never had shoes like this before. The whole shoe is one piece, and it's on the sole, which makes it separate. The shoe part is all one sock thing. This is where the shoelaces go right here. They are in with the sole, but they are not in with the shoe part. The website says that they're made out of Kevlar. I truly believe they are made out of Kevlar. It's all this piece right here, and it's got a steel toe right there. But it's all one piece right here. The shoelaces do work a little, but they're not super important. The toe's pretty sturdy. But I have gotten wear with them. They are not indestructible, probably. They're wearing down on the soles. The front part here, where I've been using it kicking, has a little bit of damage to it. And they just basically glorified slip-ons with these ties that give a little support here, but not back here. I do like them. At first I didn't think I'd like them. Where the tongue, everything's all built into the shoe, one piece. But after wearing them for 3 months, I work hard. I'm rough on shoes. If I get 6 months out of a pair of shoes, I'm doing really good. And I have no doubt these are going to hold up longer than 6 months. I mean, I wear these every day. I got grass hung up in it right now. I work in them. I do everything in them. Metal detect in them. I've used them on stage playing with the band. Everything. Moving gear in and out. Now, underneath that box right there is a brand new pair that I bought. And I'm going to open them up and we'll check them out shoe to shoe. They're boxed with a box inside of a box. And there's the box they come in. Indestructible shoes. They're really pretty nice. Nice shoe box. And here they are. These have the black soles, so they're all black. I have big feet. They work. That's what they look like out of the box. They have different models. I got these. It has the same build as the other ones. And you can see the soles here. I'm going to grab one of the other shoes. We'll compare the difference between the soles. 3 months wear. You can see where it's worn down right here. So they are definitely wearing. And toe to toe. There's this. There's the new one. They seem to be well built. They're sturdy, good, strong shoes. Shoelaces ain't the best, but they work. And this is also the one-piece upper. I don't know what to call it, upper. That's got this part, and the front part's all the same. Yeah, that's what they are. S-JUBANG. Jubang it. You buy it, you jubang it. I like these shoes. I'm glad I bought the second pair. I wouldn't have bought the second pair at full price, I'll say that. But I got a coupon code for 50% off when it came to $39 shipping and all. So hey, as good as as long as these lasted, they're well worth $40. I'll say that much for sure. And the steel toe does help. All right. Okay, there's my review. Thank you very much for watching. These are shoes that I bought with my own money. The first ones I bought and paid full price. And the second ones at a 50% code came to like $38 shipping, tax and all, everything. Are they indestructible? I don't think they're indestructible. But are they really good shoes? Yes, they are. Are they comfortable? They are comfortable to wear. They have nice cushion in the bottom. They have wear on them from 3 months of wear. But they're going to last a lot longer than 3 more months. I'd probably say I get at least another year out of them. So I do recommend them. They may not be for everybody. You may not like them. They do have other models. They have even jogging boots, working boots, running shoes, walking shoes. These, I don't know, I kind of like the way they are, with the one-piece. It's Kevlar, and Kevlar is a good protection. And you got the steel toes, which really do help too. There's been times where it's saved me a stub toe for sure. All right, later on, everybody. Thanks for watching.